Hi everyone, hello. My video today is for the Recipe Challenge for Hip Kit Club. And the recipe is with multi-font title, 2 or 3 photos, a stamping element, chipboards and no cardstock. I finally received the Great November kit and I'm excited to be creative with it. With these great papers, the choice was really hard for me. Look, are they gorgeous? But so that the stickers come out well, I have decided, boy, it's hard, but I will use this one. For the challenge, we also need a large title, and here I punched out letters and I painted them with the Nouveau glimmer paste. And painting, that's how they are turned out. Glimmer, glitter, I love it. And I chose my 2 winter photos. And we need chipboard stickers. Aren't they great? Let's see which one I will use for the layout. I will decide when I scrap the layout. My sewing should be also included. My sewing machine is ready. And let's see if works out live sewing in the video. And okay. And I almost forgot, a stamp element should be also contained. That's the stamp kit. And I used shrink foil. I will show one moment. My speaking is too fast. I used shrink foil, stamped the stamp on the matte side, and then shrinked it in the oven. And I will show you the result. This is how the result looks like. Cute, or? I will incorporate 1 or 2 elements of this into my layout as well. And now I start. Hope you have fun watching it. I hope I can inspire you and give you some ideas. Thank you.